Hello my amazing people, Hamza here and welcome back to the channel. About 3 months ago, I promised to release my first web design course when this channel hits 10,000 subscribers. I've made up my decision that once I hit 10,000 subscribers, I'll be pushing out my first web design course and it will be on Skillshare. And guess what? On 3rd March, I crossed the 10,000 subscriber mark here on YouTube. Now it's my time to deliver. It's almost a week now that I got my course published on Skillshare, and I thought I would give you guys a heads up on what I covered and also one of my most interesting sections in my Elementor Essentials course that is now live on Skillshare. In this section, I'm going to introduce you to the Elementor design system, which you can actually use to set up your global colors and fonts, and you can always reuse these fonts and colors you set up in your design system anywhere on your website, so that whenever you update anything in your design system, it will automatically reflect on your website pages that you created using Elementor. Under the design system, you have two options: the global colors and the global fonts. The global colors are basically colors you set up for your Elementor website. Just like you're using a theme, for example, the Hello theme, these colors will help you to use anywhere on your website without having you to re-enter the same color code again and again. You can add colors or color codes by simply saying add a color, and then you can add that color code, or by pasting over here the color code, and then you can rename that color over here and say, let me say this is only for headers or headings. And that's how you add that color code. And whenever you come over here to, for example, let me say this widget, when I come here to the style, I come to the text color, you realize that now I have another color called headings over here, and boom, there it shows up. Now wherever I will apply that color, for example, when I come to this section or this widget, I go to the style, and then I add, for example, the primary color I set to my headings. The same here, I come over here, select my primary color, I set the color for my headings. Now once I update, those colors will be reflected. However, if I come back to my Elementor site settings, come to the heading section, and then I switch that color maybe to this color here, and then I update, this color will update and reflect wherever I have used it on my website. Now let me just head back over here and look at the sections where we added that color. So you realize that now our services color has changed, and when I scroll down below here to the other icons, you see that now it has also changed to this color. Now this is a better way and a shortcut to ease your work if you are using the global colors in Elementor. The same applies to the global fonts. When I come back here and go back to the global fonts, I can set up a global font. For example, for the primary font, here I'm using Poppins. Now whenever I go to anywhere in the editor, I can just simply come over here and select the primary as our global font, because under the primary section we chose Poppins as our global font. So now you see it will automatically switch to our font just by choosing under typography primary. And here is what you need to know. I actually gave out 50 slots to the first 50 students to enroll into this course, and currently there are only 25 left. And in case you are actually interested in checking out this course, there are still 25 slots left for you to subscribe and have this course for you completely for free to watch on Skillshare. So in the case that you are getting started, or you simply want to get a deeper understanding of the Elementor page builder, then my Elementor Essentials class on Skillshare is something I would recommend for you. So you would actually use this opportunity to grab a slot in the remaining 25 that are free, and then you can get access to this course and get started learning about the Elementor Essentials. Anyway, if the class brought you value, don't forget to leave me a review. And in the case where you have questions regarding my Elementor Essentials course, then feel free to ask me right here on YouTube or on my Skillshare class. And I'll be so happy to read your feedback when you are done with the class. Please don't forget to check out the links in the description box below for everything that I've mentioned in this video. Have a good time and goodbye.